If you haven't prepared for the winter storm, the clock is ticking. In Butler County, the food and other provisions were going fast. Pam Surano talked to those who were stocking up.
I'm like, I need more salt, so I'm just dashing over here and see if they have some.
This Mars resident made it while supplies were plentiful at Piper Hardware, but everything was going fast.
This morning's been pretty wild, as was yesterday. They've been getting the shovels, ice melters, of course some heaters like these ones.
Piper True Value is the oldest building in Mars. They've been here since 1986 and they know their customers. Many of them are elderly and live in rural areas, so they're concerned they get everything they need.
Our street is very steep to get in and out, so we're going to stay put if we're stuck.
At the Super Mars market, residents rush to get food, which this mom of 7 knows she can't get stuck without.
We always have a supply of food in our basement, water, everything that we need, supplies in case there's any type of emergencies. We also have a generator with gas, so we have a way to heat up our house and, have electricity in at least one room.
Edward Brinko, a Butler County resident since 1926, knows he's fortunate to have help.
I have very good neighbors that help me. Yeah, very good. They cut my firewood, they stack my firewood on the porch.
With all the spreaders, salt, and firewood, there was also the concern of utilities going down.
Working on food and water, just in case we lose power, because we have well water, so we will lose our water too if we lose power.
All helpful advice the hardware store was handing out along with supplies.
Make sure that you have things like blankets and things like that just to stay warm.
You're all set.
We got a picture, toss it in my truck. Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am. Have
All
a good
good.
day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Be careful this weekend.
Pam Surano, KDKA News.